Hey besties, are you a student? And even if you're not a student, do you know you can make money online and get paid in a day? Yes, so even as a student or as a non-student, if this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I'm going to spill the tea on exactly how you can make money. And trust me, I also made money when I was a student using some of these strategies. If this is something you're interested in, don't even touch it down. Keep on watching all the way till the end. If you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. Yes, so while you're introducing yourselves, let me also introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and a fashion designer. On this channel, I share freebies, ways to make money from the comfort of your home. Yes, so don't sleep on it. Without further ado, let's just get right into the business for today. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Besties, do you know that you can make money searching the web? Yes, so are you interested in knowing how to make money fast by doing what you already do online? Yes, in fact, this has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online. The first website on my list here is QMe.com. Guys, QMe rewards you for searching on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. All you need to do is just install a simple browser extension and sponsored results will show alongside your normal search results. Each QMe result has a cash reward attached. If you're interested, all you need to do is just click on it and collect your reward. And you can also complete surveys to top it up, top up your earnings. The best thing is that there is no minimum to cash out. You can cash out any amount of money that you make on this website. Yes, do you know you can take advantage of Get Paid To websites? Yes, they're similar to making money from online surveys. Now, GPT sites reward you with cash, yes, in cash and vouchers for completing various offers or activities online. Now, the most popular sites today include User Interviews, Toluna, Swagbox, and Inbox Pounds. Check out all of these websites. Now, do you know that you can earn money and help the environment by recycling your old mobile phones and other unused devices? You can ask your parents if they have any lying around too. If they have any phone that is lying around that they don't need, you can trade it for money. Now, another way to make money is to apply for gigs on Fiverr. Guys, Fiverr is available to all countries in the world. It is the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services known as gigs. What you offer could be absolutely anything from writing and translating, social media posting, playing pranks, and teaching to create music, voiceovers, and short video clips for people around the world. Guys, you can attach extra services to gigs for more money. Earnings can quickly add up, and there are thousands of people really making a good living from the websites. The key is to get a system in place that minimizes the time that you spend on each gig. There is another way to even make more profit from Fiverr by potentially doing far less work. How? It is by simply reselling your gigs elsewhere. For example, find a decent logo designer, then reply to jobs on Upwork or Local Classified. Yeah, guys, a $5 spent can easily become $50 plus, and it's repeatable. Just check with your designer that they are happy with what you have designed for them. Another thing you can do is to review music for money. Yes, if you love music, make it your business by reviewing unsigned bands and artists online for cash with Slice the Pie. Yes, so now you can make money and get paid in US dollars, but anyone can sign up and review. Another way to make money that you're not thinking of, I'm telling you, is to sell secondhand textbooks. Yes, one smart way to make extra money is to buy other students' textbooks cheaply at the end of the year, then sell them just after Freshers Week. Yeah, so this is when the new intake of students know that they need them. So demand and prices will be higher. You can also advertise them on campus or list them on Amazon Marketplace, although they'll take commission from the books that you have sold. Guys, another thing you can do, you can offer your service as a graphic designer. Please, just note, most people who don't have a graphic design degree or an in-depth of how to use this highly intense graphic websites, you don't need to have all the skills. You don't even need a first degree to be able to get a job as a graphic designer. I'm telling you, and not all companies need fancy logos created by skilled graphic designers. You can just use basic Canva, yes, or PicMonkey to create, yes, these graphics, yes, for companies and brands. Creating and managing online images take time, so many companies need outside help. If you have basic digital skills, you can provide these services as an independent contractor, and you can master Canva in just a couple of hours. Yes, graphic design is one of my future-proof skills that is worth learning. No matter what career you have or which remote that you plan to do, there are plenty of opportunities in this area. Yes, so as for freelancing, you can sell your services on popular freelancing websites. Yes, Fiverr is one of them. Upwork is one of them. Guru is one of them. FlexJob is one of them. Mechanical Turk has graphic design posting jobs too. And of course, working as a graphic designer generates more income for highly skilled artists. You can also earn as much as $100 per hour. There are so many ways to make money on the streets of the internet. All you need to know is where to look. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can apply, you can start making money from the comfort of your home. These are things that I have also tried. They are tested and trusted websites. These are strategies that have worked and will continue to work in times and times to come. So don't even sleep on it. If you're a student, worry no more. Your days of being broke are over, because on this channel, I'm going to expose you to various ways to make money and be able to augment your expenses. Yes, from the comfort of your home, you can make good money. So guys, that's it for today. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, please, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and introduce yourselves in comments. I'd like to know you and me too. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I see you guys and I appreciate you guys from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And yes, if you have not shared this video out, what are you waiting for? Please share this video with your friends and your village members, your enemies, and your classmates, your colleagues, and what have you. Share with your church groups, your mosque groups, your Facebook groups, your WhatsApp groups. Share with everybody and all the witches in your village. Yeah, so yes, that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching all the way till the very end. Make sure that you tune into this channel, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that the next time I publish a new video, you guys are among the first to get notified. And of course, in my next video, guys, I'm gonna be it's gonna be explosive. You don't want to miss it for anything. There are so many ways to make money. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look, and I'll be sharing with you all the strategies, tricks, and tips that helped me move from being broke to having financial freedom to the glory of God. Yes. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. In case no one has showed you today, let me be the first to tell you you are amazing and I am super duper proud of you. And just in case anyone is doubting how far you can go, with my permission, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.